Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by taking direct, effective steps. Restart your phone to clear transient faults, then open settings and confirm camera, microphone, and storage permissions so the app can access hardware. Once done, free at least 500 megabytes of storage and force stop any apps that may hold the camera resource, because low storage or background processes often block the sensor. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to test whether a third-party app is interfering. This narrows the cause fast. Next, methodically diagnose the issue. Open the default camera app and run a live test. If it fails, try a reputable third-party camera app to see whether software or hardware is at fault. Then go to Settings, check for Android system and OEM camera driver updates, and clear the camera app cache and data to remove corrupted state. If you suspect hardware, use a Camera 2 API probe or diagnostic app to check sensor availability and error codes, which tells you whether the camera module responds. To finish, back up everything and perform a factory reset if software causes remain unresolved. This restores system integrity. If diagnostics point to hardware, persistent sensor errors, or no sensor detected, power down, and if you're comfortable, reseat the camera module or seek an authorized repair to replace the module. As a final troubleshooting tip, collect system logs, test with another user account or aftermarket ROM to confirm whether the fault is tied to your profile or.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.